Good morning, traders. Can you give the sound test, please? Hi, Farzad. Happy Christmas, guys. Scott is not here today celebrating. So all of you that arrived for today trading, happy Christmas. Merry Christmas. Yes. So I was yesterday. I think yesterday, every trader I spoke with were green, you know? Okay, green. One green. Green. I got beaten up pretty bad. Really, Gianni? Okay. Green, red. bad, VV. Okay. I think I saw an email. I'll answer it later. Okay, green. You know, all the stocks, think like USPN and VVPR and SPI and all the stocks that suddenly jump in 50%, 80%, 100%. Those are the kind of stocks that I'm trying to avoid. Okay, I can tell you that when I'm trading, most of my setups are not gap and goes like Meir and Scott, but when I'm trading, I'm trying to trade stocks that are above 3%, but less than 10 or maybe 15%. Because when you trade stocks which are up 15%, 20%, they are so volatile, and sometimes you just can't stand the heat, these extremely volatile stocks. So my advice for you guys, try to avoid all the 200% a day, 100% a day. This is something for the gamblers, I think. Okay, so try to avoid it. In my opinion, should we buy Meir long as soon as he puts on board? Should we buy Meir long as soon as he puts it up on the board? Why did this match you? Yeah, we're gamblers, but with risk management. So let's start with today's pre-market session. Can you see my screen, guys? No? Okay. Okay. Disclaimer. Yes, this is my screen. This is my screensaver. When I'm not trading, when I don't have any charts, just watching this disclaimer every day. Okay, so let's open the charts and let's talk about today's stocks. Now, what is the big news for today? Can anyone help me? What is the big stock that's crashing today? Baba. Let's talk about Baba. So, after Facebook, Apple, Amazon, and Google, right? All of these 4 big companies in the US that the government start to investigation. Now we have Baba, and today Baba is down 10%. 10%. And that's because China's top market watchdog has begun a probe into Alibaba over alleged anti-competition practices at the e-commerce firm. Again, anti-competition. So, this is something very bad for Baba. And you can see Jack Ma sitting here. I don't think he's very happy. I have in my long-term account down significantly. Yes, Sylvia, I just, let's open the chart of Baba. A few weeks ago, I thought to invest in Baba when it was 250. And then it jumped to 270, and then it moved down. And then I said, okay, I will wait for the 200, and then I'll think maybe to invest in Baba, because this looks like a very strong support. Like, it's going to test. So I said I will wait for Baba at this 200 SMA, but today with this 10% down, maybe it's a catch. Maybe it's a very good company, a very good stock in discount amazing discount, 10%, but Baba with a huge gap down. And like we said, the State Administration for Market Regulation said on Thursday in brief statement that is investigating Alibaba over choosing one from two policy in which merchants are forced to sell exclusively on Alibaba and skip rivaling platform like JD and PDD, JD.com and Pinduoduo. Okay, that means that I don't know why JD is down and also PDD is down, because you know what? All the Chinese, even Baidu, will be down today, right? Yeah, I said in Google was sued by the same thing, Google and Facebook and Amazon and Apple. And I think the government in the US said they want to close Facebook, right? So this is something against capitalism. I don't know if it's good or bad, but today all the Chinese stocks will be down. Yeah, Alec, I don't know. I don't know if it's a good time to pick Baba. I thought about 20% higher. So let's wait. Yes, exactly, Aris. Baba is like Apple of China. It drags everything down with it. Even though JD and PDD should be benefits from this news. No, PDD. So Pinduoduo and JD should be happy because Baba is now investigating. So Baba, guys, Baba and all the Chinese stocks for today will be interesting. Okay. Yes, Austin. Yeah, we need to follow. So everything is down today in China because of Baba. So my first candidate, like you imagine, is Baba. Okay, so Baba, and I'll follow also JD, both ways. Okay, both ways, JD, PDD, and the last one that I will follow today will be INO. INO is up 8%, almost 9%, because good news about COVID-19 vaccine. If you remember, Citron posted that INO should drop to $5 a stock, but today it's up. A lot of short sellers in it, so maybe we'll see today a squeeze in INO, like we saw yesterday in GME. So we need to follow INO for today. And that's it. We have Baba, PDD, JD, and INO. Now let's talk about momentum stocks. First of all, Moderna. Anyone remember in the room what I said yesterday about mRNA? I said yesterday that mRNA is a gap closer stock. Gap closure stock. Can anyone remember it? And I said that mRNA is a gap closing stock? Because I said the chart of mRNA is extremely extended. Well, you know, Meir and Amir took it. I not. Yeah, so this is a short seller's trap, guys. This is a short seller's trap. People open the chart. Oh, mRNA is down 4%. We need to short it. Well, the most important thing in day trading is to watch the daily chart. So mRNA was extremely extended yesterday. That's why the gap is closed, and very nice intraday move in mRNA yesterday. Closed the gap and moved even higher. Amir said somewhere around here that it's going to close the gap. Meir took a very nice trade over here. I didn't, but maybe today. So mRNA, my first momentum stock for today. We have mRNA, we have Nikola. Yesterday, NKLA just bounced from the 15 all day long, right? So many buyers. If you watched the level 2 yesterday in NKLA, so many buyers at the 15. And I don't really see a future for this company. The numbers are crazy. So for the bad side. So NKLA, maybe for momentum today, we're going to see it all-time low. And my second candidate. What happened to XL? Kim, I think Citron just tweeted about XL that it's going to be better than Plug, Workhouse, and another company together. And next year, XL will be above 100. So that's probably what happened to XL. Yeah, the only reason I have Twitter account is because Citron and Medi Waters that are tweeting every day something about stocks, short sellers, or something else. So we have mRNA, Nikola, and the last one, Zoom. Okay, we have two head and shoulders formation in Zoom. The first one is here. And the second one, which is much more stronger, is here. Okay, and Zoom looks so good for a short. So good for a short, but need to be careful from this one. It could trick us. And if it will move under 366, this next target will be 350, which is a very, very round number for ZM. I will follow it today. You can open the daily chart. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 red days. And now we are after 1, 2, 3. Maybe today we're going to see another very big red day in Zoom, ZM. That's crazy because people talking around the world about another quarantine. So ZM should move up, but maybe it's too pumped up from the beginning of the crisis. And now we're going to see the bubble explode. Yeah, I saw Mara from yesterday. That's crazy. So ZM, Nikola, and mRNA. Now let's talk about extended stock. So first of all, IQ, although it's a Chinese stock, okay, we have a lot of short sellers in IQ, and I think it's going to bounce. Okay, but we need to be careful because it's also, what is the price formation that you can see right now in IQ? Bear flag, exactly. Beautiful bear flag in IQ, but we have a lot of short sellers in IQ, so maybe it will bounce from the lows. So let's not invest in IQ, but we need to follow it for a squeeze maybe after they just made from 27 to 16, like 60% profits. Maybe they will start to cover. Like Pablo, yeah, Pablo, we need to follow IQ both ways. And I will still follow today plug. I think it's too extended on the daily chart. Yesterday, although the daily chart, the daily candle is a green one, yesterday the stock moved up. You can see the close. So I will follow plug for a short today. And the last stocks for today will be all the solar stocks. Jinko Solar, extremely extended. Sun Power, extremely extended. And we can also short FSLR and RUN and all of the solar stocks that are extremely extended. We need to look for a short, maybe today, maybe continuation. Last short squeeze stocks for today will be GAN again, like yesterday. Yesterday moved up 8%, and next target is this 20. Now pre-market is already touching this 20, 1992. Okay, GAN, short squeeze stocks. INSG, yesterday with a small sideways candle. Maybe we're going to see another squeeze today. And the last stock is JWN. JWN, 35% of short sellers in it. Okay, you can call it a bull flag, maybe. I don't know, but this is a squeeze from 15 to 32. Maybe we're going to see another squeeze. What about Mara? Okay, I will talk about Mara. Guys, Mara, SQ, Riot, what else? All of these stocks are related to the Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin moved a little bit lower. That's why Mara and Riot and SQ moved down yesterday. Everything is so extended, so we need to follow it. And that's it. The S&P is slightly up today. Let's watch the futures. The S&P is up 0.1. The Qs is up 0.1. That's nice. And what else? That's it. I will trade along with Meir today. Let's go to the summary. And Peloton. Oh, forgot about PTON. We try to short Peloton today as well. Guys, that was my pre-market session for today. Scott is on vacation because of Christmas. So let's say good morning to all of you and Merry Christmas. Good morning, Dean, Josh, Jasprit. Good morning, Fabricio. I think I saw Amir Degani is here today in Excel, right, Amir? Yes, good morning. Merry Christmas. Good morning, Bodo. Good morning, Iran. Jens, Merry Christmas. From Netherlands, Andrew, good morning. Let's hope for another great day today. Yeah, good morning, Moshe. Astin, Yogi the Bear. Yep. Good luck today, Kim, Pablo. Let's hope for a green and profitable day today. Don't forget the market is closed today. Will be closed from 1, right? The market is closed today at 1. Good morning, Robin, Sarab. Yes, so this is a short trading day. Maybe low volume, probably. So trade carefully, like every day, but today trade carefully as well. Hi, Ben. Good morning, Massimo, Ahmed. These days, we need to trade at the open and then to get up early. Vamos. Okay, let's say good luck. Wait a second. Let's see what is the language for today. Okay, so today good luck will be Kali Tishi. What is this language, guys? Kali Tishi today, guys. Kali Tishi. Vulcan. No, this is Greek. Nice, Bodo. So Kali Tishi today. I think yesterday some of you guys wrote about pins, Pinterest, that is following Pinterest. That was a very good trade. So can anyone please tell me what stock is following today? Next time Chinese. Okay. NVAX, GME. Let's open this chart till Meir will come in. GME. GME after very strong days, a little bit extended right now. Sabab. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green days in a row. Novavax. Let's see, Novavax. Yep, kind of interesting, moving sideways. How about Twitter? That's a good question. Nice pullback for Twitter. Well, that's interesting, you know, Twitter, Austin. What do you think the next move of Twitter will be? We have higher lows and lower highs. Clifton is reminding about the Christmas sale. Twitter down, yeah, Dean? I think so as well. So we have Galia here today on the Russian trading room. We have Danny, Meir. Michael will close the day today. Gabe and Clifton are here. Say hello to Gabe and Clifton. And that's it. We have 1 minute and 5 seconds before the market will open. Let's open all of my charts. Okay, now let's change. Baba. Let's open space. Hi, Gabe. Good morning. Okay, so let's get ready. 20 seconds till the market opened. Wow, Jasprit, that's great. I think Warren Buffett invested in Oxy. Hey, Danny, good luck. Okay, guys, good luck. And here is Meir joining us.
Hey, traders. So we still see some people here on Christmas Eve, really? Okay. I'll take over the charts. Thousands of you guys actually trading today. Okay, I did not expect that. But, well, here we are. We've got Baba coming down today strong. Gotta pay for the presents. Hope you're gonna, it depends on the outcome today. Yeah, I know, it's not Christmas Eve in America. Right here in Germany it is. Okay, guys, I'm concentrating here on Baba. This should be a very interesting trade because Baba is down because of some investigation news. Now, I want to take probably bigger than usual risk here and thinking about shorting it under 227.30 or maybe 227. Posting 30, but I'm not so sure right now. To 27.30 I'm posting. No, actually could be a bit different. Could be 228 now. Okay, I'm changing. Then we could add under 227. Of course, it has also to do with the fact that if it's going to stall here, I don't know, this could change. Okay, watch Baba under 228. I'm short. I will add under 227.30. Added. Now go on, Baba, make my day. Make my day, Baba. Stop over 230. But I don't want to even think about that now. Go on, Baba. Gap and go. Gap and go, Baba. Go on, Baba. Chinese investigation. That's not easy, right, Baba? It's tough on you. I wouldn't like to get investigated by the Chinese authority. You never know. Come on, Baba.
Taking plug for a short under 35.30.
Yeah, Baba, come on. Come on. Make my day. It's Christmas time.
Okay, plug is in. Next target will be 35.
Here we go. Come on, Baba. 226. Yes, under 226. Okay. Let's go, Baba. Come to Papa. Go, Baba. Go, go. Didn't even take a look at the market. The market's moving higher.
Come on, plug. Let's hope this candle in plug is just a spike. We're going to see it under 35 soon. Okay, the LUG, come on. I will add under 35. If it will reach there.
Baba just failed to move higher. Tried a bit, but game's not over there. Oh, MKLA. We're supposed to watch it. Well, it's not a big mover. mRNA. Wow, what's going on here? Airlines. Everything coming down. Come on, Baba, join the game. How comes the market's moving up and everything's coming down?
Okay. Guys, we have nice trade in plug. Wow, that's a nice breakdown. Woohoo. Come on, plug. Stimulus rejected by Republicans. Nice. You're welcome, Gianni.
Okay, just like yesterday, I'm thinking long mRNA somewhere. No, Baba. You have to wait for Baba. Hope it's going to continue downtrending.
You're welcome.
What's going on with the airlines? Look at that.
Merry Christmas, Mark. Way to go. Bye-bye. Enjoy your weekend. Here's moving up, the Nasdaq.
Nasdaq still moving higher. Okay, at this point, I think it's safe to say that if Baba moves over my original entry point, 228, I will close the trade. It's trying to move lower once more, but if it's going to fail and move over 228, I'll move out. I'm actually going to have a loser if it moves over 228 because I added at around 227. But it's going to come down again, and that looks good. However, this, just in case it fails, over 228. Tesla, I don't know what's going on in Tesla. I would be extremely suspicious thinking that Tesla is going, I don't think Tesla is going to continue much higher for some reason. Started weak and just spiked up. Daily looks good for long in Tesla, but looks to me like something weird's going on. I wouldn't trust it to move higher. Maybe it will. Well, Nasdaq is extremely strong. Go on, Baba. Go on, Baba. 225.60 is the lows. 63, we are approaching. I was looking for this big spike down, which I didn't get till now. Yeah, I can see BA. I was hoping it's going to give me some shorting opportunity today, but it just started down, came down so straight, just had nothing to do. Couldn't find any technical formation there for a short. Baba is flirting with the lows here.
I'm about to short NEO under 46. I just entered NEO. Still in plug.
And we got a new low. And we got a new low in Baba. No, come on. Show me a big spike. Big spike down. $224 should be my target. Around 224. Just bounce from the 225 whole number. Sorry guys, I'm so concentrated here in Baba, I just don't see anything else. I prefer not to see anything else. Very, very important. Just need to concentrate here on the buyers, the sellers, the level 2, time and sales, volume, everything. This is a trade that I was fixed on pre-market time. I knew it's going to be my biggest mover today. I was hoping to see exactly what we're seeing now. Here comes the 225 again. So far, it's a textbook trade, which is great. And we're under 25. It's Christmas time.
We'll short Peloton under 162. Guys, everyone that took the Baba trade with Meir, now you can buy gifts from AliExpress. I think you should do it after you shorted this company.
Didn't take my partial yet, Yogi. Things could change.
Okay, Danny, I'll join you at 162. Didn't plug. I'm still in NEO. About to close NEO, the loss. Wow, the Q's so strong.
Unbelievable what Nasdaq is doing. Okay, I just made up my mind. If Baba's going to move over 225.50, I'll take my partial. So I'm hoping for a new low now, but just in case it bounces, I just need to make sure I'm on the green side. Go on, Baba, new low. Could have found some support here. I don't think so, actually. I think it's going to continue coming down. Such a beautiful formation. The volume remains high. Go on, Baba. Come on, new low. Chinese investigation. Not easy on you.
Okay, I'm canceling my order in Peloton. I will not short it, obviously.
Buyers are coming, guys. Buyers are coming. Get ready for a partial. You can see the buyers moving up in Baba. About take my partial, took my partial. It was a good trade. It was a good trade. Now it's time to ask, who took Baba with me? Say yes. No. It is Christmas time. Cool. Let's call it my Christmas present to you. Is that fair enough? Cool. Cool, Alec. And I think we took the partial right on time, didn't we? Great. Well, we sure did take the partial on time. Look at that. Yeah, I should. Oh, right, mRNA. I didn't watch that. You know, I was thinking 127 earlier. No, I won't go. I won't go in. Well, tell you what, Nasdaq is too extended to the upside, although the S&P looks like it could go. I'm more thinking like it could come down. It should come down. I don't know. Not mRNA specifically. I just look at the market and I don't think we're going to get support for an mRNA long now. Tesla is making a decision to move higher. Boeing's crashing down.
PDD and JD are moving up because of Baba investigation. These two companies are mentioned in the investigation.
Okay, so now we have a good technical stop for Baba, which is going to be 227. $227.15. And I have my hard stop there. I could stop thinking Baba. 27.15, stop. Still have 1,000 shares left. Stop in the system. That's it.
Guys, I closed Neo and Plug with a loss. Did not take Baba with you.
No Christmas presents for you today, Yogi.
Wow, I wanted to take JD above 85, but watch JD and PDD.
Fubo, let's see Fubo.
Wow, JD is just exploding.
Fubo moved down. Looks like it's downtrending, but I think it moved down quite a bit earlier. It's down 9%, so I would not really expect it to. I just don't know. Really, I don't know what's coming next. Tesla just moved over the highs. Did make a decision to move higher, clearly. I think mRNA is about to make a decision to move higher too. And the Nasdaq not pulling back up, holding to the highs really. Well, we could go long mRNA over 128. Let me post this one. Bob is returning to the lows. Cool. ZM is going sideways. It's going to make a decision soon whether to move up or down. Watch it. It could be interesting, Kaiser. But I don't know what decision it's going to make. It looks like it's right in the middle of the range. Now it seems like it's probably going to make a decision to move lower, higher, but I'm absolutely not sure. Okay, watch mRNA. It's approaching over 128. You can see that there's a lot of sellers lining up in the whole number. Be careful of buying before it moves 128 or when the seller's number is declining. Watch the 128 on the level 2. It's always important. See you next week, Jack. Have a great Christmas.
Just took ZM for a short. I think it moved down today because of its daily chart.
That's right, Abid. There's a lot of topping tails in mRNA, but you know, it's getting it's moving up and up again several times. And although there are a lot of topping tails, there's also a lot of bottoming tails, and it rejected the lows so many times. So 128, I would not call it. I mean, probably don't want to take it in full size or something.
Took AMD for a long, just triggered.
NVAX, let's see. NVX is trending higher. It's looking good, nice V-shaped formation. I just don't see something very special. Now look at the mRNA. Just moved lower, failed again to move lower, and maybe trying to move over once more, 128. It's another good sign. Assuming it's going to move higher. I mean, assuming it's going to move over 128. It's another good sign.
And Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.
Merry Christmas, honey.
Okay, ZM 1 point. I want to see it move sharply lower, under 380, I think.
ZM is interesting.
Need to see ZM. I just took it for a short.
Yeah, just made a decision to move lower. Wow, I love the daily.
The daily chart.
Just remember the daily. Yeah, absolutely. I think I'm going to join you there somewhere. Possibly under 381. Okay, so Yogi took
Alex,
ZM.
also in JD.
I'm going to consider joining him under 281, 381, but I also need to see what the market's doing. So far, the S&P is in the middle of the range and Nasdaq is at the higher end of the range. So, bit unknown. Okay, watch mRNA, which is approaching 128. Again, small. Baba's holding down, it's good. Could actually add to Baba, goodness, that's possible. Tell you what, if Scott was here, he was adding. Definitely he was. He would pushed me to do that too. I know it would. It's just in a new low. Well, I'm too chicken for that. I don't want to win a good trade. But it does look good. 24.50, yeah, we just moved to a new low and we're going. Oh, that was beautiful. Barak keeps going. mRNA did not trigger. So maybe we'll have ZM if it comes under 381. And Baba is walking. Baba is walking. No, I don't think JD is a good idea. I don't know what's the reason it moved up that much, but look to me like it's... Well, first, if you watch it right now, you can see that it pulled back from the highs way too much. So
yeah,
don't
the investigation on Baba is because anti-competition with JD and PDD. That's why both of them are moving higher when Baba is crashing. Okay, guys, I'm closing AMD with a small loss, my third stop loss, but I'm still in a ZM. So ZM maybe will be my last trade for today after 2 very green days. I need ZM to move under the low to be green today. Let's hope it will happen. JKS today, Elena, let's see. Thought about it, under 72.50. No, now it's moving up. No, I'll wait. My last trade will be ZM. Unless it will move under the low, and then I'll take another one. If you'll open 1 minute chart of ZM, you will see the triangle. And I really hope that ZM will choose to move down. And if it will choose to move down from this triangle, it will be a steep drop, in my opinion.
I tend to agree that PDD will come down. But you shouldn't be shorting a stock that is that strong. You shouldn't. The stock is up that much, even if it's going to come down, at any point it could shoot higher, move over the highs. Not a good idea to go long, not a good idea to go short. The daily suggests it's going to continue higher. It should be watched in the next few days, but this technical formation that you're watching, possibly under 150, extremely dangerous. And just assuming it moved under 150, Alec, and let's say you took it for a short, you take it for a short, you could have a fantastic winner. It's a big mover, it could move several points. But the problem is you will remember that you gained money this way, and making money the wrong way is wrong, because it's going to kick you next time. You just don't make money the wrong way. Sometimes it happens that you make money the wrong way, and shorting it under 150 would be the wrong way. Baba new low.
I'm about to add to ZM if it will move under 381.50.
S&P is getting close to the highs for some reason. Bob is doing great. I don't really think ZM wants to move lower, Yogi. Maybe I'm wrong.
Well, it must. It must, because I already have 3 stop losses. So if ZM will move above 384, I will have a very red day.
Be careful, because it did not make a decision yet. It's like 50% any direction now.
Yeah, I agree. It will be happening already. So every second it's not crashing.
You know, watching the S&P,
more.
approaching the highs, and you know, if S&P is going to do that, then ZM is going to kick you too.
Mm-hmm. So guys, you, all of you that took the Baba trade with Meir, I will send you my address. So please buy me some gifts for Christmas, because I can't afford after today.
Let's see if your wife keeps you at home.
Come on, ZM, choose.
Oh, Baba. Oh, Baba. Got the 6-point mark. Approaching the 6-point mark.
Yogi, when the webcam coming? Next week, I will be with Scott in Meir. Except PayPal. Yeah, give me a good trade instead of PayPal. Okay, just added to ZM.
Oh, ZM moving. Okay, good for you, Yogi. I'm not joining you though, because I don't know what's going on with ZM. But glad it's working for you.
Wow, ZM. Come on, under 380. Come on. What is the low of yesterday? 378. Now it must move under the low. ZM must move under 380. Come on. William, this is a very good question. I think Meir, wow. Okay, ZM. I want more.
Matthew, the Baba trade was very simple gap and go. I mean, there's nothing else, nothing special there really. Just stock that is gapping down big time, 8% or so, and just continues to move low. I'll talk about it later, but there's really nothing special about the Baba trade. Well, I did take more than usual size, of course, so maybe I should explain that. It's my only trade today, and I like it this way.
Really? Only Baba today?
Yeah, only Baba. It's enough. Paid my bills for the next year.
Okay, guys, still full size after adding in ZM. Okay, ZM. Come on. Woo. Okay, I'm taking my first target. Okay, not yet. Wow, what a drop in ZM. Come on. Not yet. I'm waiting in ZM, maybe under 378.
Baba's going.
Yeah, I'm still in ZM, waiting to see. Okay, I'm covering right now. Nice one, Dean. Okay, I'm still red, but that's not helpful. Thank you, ZM. If ZM will touch 377, I'll be break even today. Oh, gun, just quit. I missed gun. Let's see, gun. Ah, what a squeeze above 1950.
I'm covering some more Baba here. Small size left. Over 6 points.
The S&P is moving sideways for too long. We have a short day today, but it will have to choose direction soon. Qs is rolling up, looks like.
mRNA is moving down. That's true. However, I don't see any decisive move there. And I'm looking at the S&P still holding up. Nasdaq pulled back from the highs a little bit. I just don't see anything fun in shorting mRNA. Well, the thing is, I didn't see that in ZM and it worked out. That's true, Daniel. That's well, I'm using my platform's top 20, so I get that in my platform. But the thing is, you can look for gaps anywhere. You can look for big movers, pre-market movers, not specifically 3% up or down. I mean, the best would be over 3%, but you can definitely look for just any gap and just get ready. And sometimes there's fantastic pre-market gaps like Baba, and I knew Baba's gonna be a good trade for. I was hoping Baba's gonna be a good trade, but it has to do with a lot of things, not necessarily over 3%, but this would be the best. Yeah, just look for them. There's a lot of pre-market scanners. I use my Colmex platform top 20 for that, but you'll find it in a lot of places. BLNK is very strong. It's moving up. And of course, the market so far is holding to the highs, so it's likely to continue. Daily has a lot of upside momentum in BLNK.
watch IQ. How do I don't know what to do with IQ right now. Okay. I have my stop loss in ZM, 382.50. That was a nice trade in ZM, but I'm still in red.
Traders, I'm done for the day. As you can see here, Baba worked out really good. Let me share my P&L here with you. That's why only trade for the day. Extremely strange. I mean, I don't usually get to trade just one trade per day, but I did know that it's going to be a bit of a tough day because it's pre-Christmas time. Lots of people are on holidays, and volume is expected to be a little bit low. So, and then came Baba, pre-market time. I was watching Baba, and I knew I'm going to hit. I was hoping I'm going to have a trade in Baba today, because when a stock like Baba starting with a gap down of 10%, that's huge. That's big news. Now, you need to think about not just the intraday technical formation, but also about the daily technical formation. Now, take a look at what's going on with Baba. Baba recently trending lower, pulled back up, came down again. This is a huge breakdown formation right here. And it did break down with a gap. Now, when Baba's gapping down that much, and, the basic idea is on news. I mean, most gaps are happening on news. So Baba gapped down on news, and not just news. I mean, just didn't lose some market or something like that. It didn't buy the company or something like that happened. It's a Chinese inquiry about whatever. I don't know. But sometimes in China, now I don't want to talk nonsense here, but I don't know. I'm just like every other person from the Western world who's looking at China. And sometimes, they put people in jail and just throw away the keys, or they even execute some people who are having some kind of financial frauds or things like that. It's China. So in my Western mind, and I'm just one, let's call it investor, or there's a lot of people out there like me who are investors in Baba. Most of the shares are being bought not just by Chinese, but Western people. Now think about it. What goes in your Western mind when you're hearing that Baba is under Chinese investigation? Now seriously, it doesn't sound good, okay? and maybe it's still great, maybe there's nothing wrong, but it's about fear. Trading is about fear. And when people like me are hearing news about Baba, and of course I'm not an investor, I'm a trader, but I'm thinking about the people who are investing in Baba and long-term investors. If you are living in the States and you're buying Baba and it's in your pension fund or whatever it is, people are starting to sell because it's Chinese investigation and who knows what's coming next. So I was really hoping that I'm going to start seeing Baba today moving slightly higher, which it did, and just the perfect technical formation for a gap and go. It's as best as it gets. And there was nothing special about it. I do it several times a week. Short at the first reversal sign, 228. I did think it looks better than usual, added under 227. So the whole idea, and I did mention that, if it's going to work according to my technical rules, and because it's Baba, and because it has some, Chinese investigation, whatever it is, then it's likely to do well. Therefore, more size than usual. The thing you need to remember about trading, when you have some kind of an advantage, you need to double down, as I say in if you're playing blackjack. You need to add, you need to take more risk, not necessarily double, but you need to add more risk. If you add more risk to your supposed winners, that is, if you feel like it's likely to be a winner, and stock starting out down 8% or so, it's likely to become a winner. Nice technical formation, Baba, Chinese investigation. That's the time where you should put your money. That's the time where you should put your money. End result, $32,000 and still riding. my Christmas presents paid and more. That's it, traders. Well, thank you all for participating. I know lots of you took this trade, and I'm really proud of you. And it's the best I could do for you on a Christmas day. One of the reasons I did not take another trade, I did not really want to take this present away from you. So, you know, I'm going to Christmas with a good feeling that I kind of helped the world a little bit. And hopefully you enjoyed and made some money. I want to thank you all for a fantastic year, really. And see you all after Christmas. And just have a Merry Christmas, enjoy the holidays. And if you're on YouTube, how about a Christmas thumb up? That's right here below. We will appreciate that very much. Just a small token of your appreciation. So thank you all, and hope you enjoyed my Christmas gift. Have a great weekend and a great holiday. Bye, traders.
Bye, Meir. Thank you. Enjoy your long weekend. Okay, ZM. Took 3 quarters, so let's hope now it will move even lower. Let me share my screen. Good morning, guys. Yogi, Meir, Amir, everyone. Back at the Santos, please. Sounds great, Michael. Thank you. Okay, guys, Baba today, Baba has been showing some signs that things are going wrong for almost a month. Then this headline on CNBC surfaced this morning, and Baba is trading also in Singapore, and it gapped down 8% in Singapore, did the same in the pre-market, and now it's really hitting, getting it hit on the chin. I mean, one of the worst days ever, as much as I remember, from Baba. So those who are in the trade, good for you. Those who are not, wait for a pullback. I mean, it looks super extended at this point. Guys, those who are fast with LAZR under 32, it dropped very, very fast. You needed to pre-enter. If not, the entry there would have been problematic. Hold on a second, guys. Okay, if ZM will move under 277, I'll be green for today. Let's hope it will do it. 3 more points. And I missed workouts today. Moving into the gap. Beautiful daily chart in workouts. So I'll just hope for ZM to move down. I will not take any more trades. And that's it, guys. Enjoy your long weekend. Merry Christmas. And that's it. Good luck, traders. Danny, Michael. Bye-bye. Have a great weekend, Yogi. See you actually Monday. Yeah. I want to say see you tomorrow, but there's no tomorrow. Tomorrow, guys, remember, the markets are closed. The only problem that I had with that LAZR is that I always enter half of my position at the breakdown and half of it with the limit with the market order after the breakdown. This was one terrible fill, down 40 cents. So I took a partial. I had no other alternative. Yeah, let's take a look at NKLA. I mean, NKLA is no longer my favorite. I'm actually don't even look at it. It's not on my watch list anymore because let's face it, NKLA now is a small cap. NKLA now moves, the way it trades, it's I don't want to say going to zero, but it's there. Yeah, should be shorted under 1450. risk is to the VWAP target, 12 cents. Not very interesting. Yeah, it looks horrible. However, and that's one positive thing about it. It belongs to the most interesting and hyped sector in the market. So any sign of or any signal for good news, any signal that I don't know, maybe GM is buying more. I don't know what's going to happen, but obviously this is a troublesome company. But there is hope here. Worst case scenario, it goes to 3, 2, whatever, and then it waits there for a SPAC. Hold on a second, guys. Let me range. Yeah, Baba now broke 220. I mean, I'm not in the trade, so I cannot enter at 220. I was watching it all day, but missed the 224. That was the breakdown, 224.50, and now it's now the number is really staggering, down 14%. Okay, the numbers today on the market really flat. Let me see who's winning. The Nasdaq is up 0.45. The SPY is I think near the flat line. Where is the SPY? Yeah, SPY is up 20.26. The Q is up 0.43. Tesla is up. Apple is strong. Semiconductors are positive. On the other hand, we have the Chinese, of course, Chinese internet down 1.6. That's on BABA. SQ, Boeing, BYD, ZM, energy, airlines. Nothing interesting. ZM is another victim of this. I mean, ZM got lots of bad publicity in the US, as you know, some, actually not some, Fox News accused ZM as being run by the Chinese Communist Party. That's that's now their slogan. And again, this doesn't cost them business in the United States, whether it's true or not. And I think this is one of the reasons. I mean, there's like lots of anti-Chinese sentiment right now in the US, although I don't see it happening with NIO and XPEV and other car stocks. BLNK, actually BLNK is a winner for me today, but now it's pulling back aggressively. The daily is amazing, of course. Guess what? If you remember, guys, last month we had a case in BLNK. I don't know. I don't remember what was the price where we analyzed the stock. I don't think it was 12 or yeah, it was November. I think we analyzed BLNK at again, I don't remember. Maybe you guys remember. Anyway, this is all-time highs for BLNK, and maybe more to come. Maybe. MVIS was a short trade yesterday. I remember it vividly because I missed on a good trade, I think, yesterday. Yeah, and it continues to be very weak today. Take a look at this a big leg down yesterday and continuation today. The trade is was if there was a trade that was here 650. Now it's at 643. But again, when you see, guys, an inside day on a small cap, no volumes, that's not the right place to be. Probably. Yeah, we have PDD and Billy. Let's take a look at Billy first. The stock was also at all-time highs today. Take a look at Billy. Actually, so not today, this week. It's after a 3-day pullback. And let's take a look at PDD. Same social media, Chinese social media. Wow. Wow. Guys, look at this engulfing. And this is, again, a Chinese stock. So the money from Baba is moving into PDD. I have no other reason for, for PDD. Maybe it was upgraded, but amazing move. Yeah, this stock is killing it. XL, let's see if XL is tradable on the platform right now. Although it looks terrible. Yeah, XL is now tradable. We can short it under 30. Hold on. I would say let's short it under 30, but it's very, very spready. Those who want to deal with this one will have to deal with almost $1 of stop loss. I will skip it. And there's going to be slippage on the move lower, guaranteed. So the volume is unbelievable. XL is trading only 3 days now. Take a look at those staggering numbers. Traded 90 million shares yesterday, already trading today on basically no day already. What's the number? 20 million shares. Harris, have a great holiday. See you next week. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas. Wow. Now it's really XL is hitting the $1 mark. Of course, now I'm looking, thinking, wow, maybe I did the decision not to short was wrong, but anyway, Citron is pumping XL up. Maybe it worked yesterday, Danny. Today it's not working. Wow, the volume is staggering. Yeah, let's take a look at other big movers. IPOC, RMG. RMG was on my watch list today, but I could not find an entry point. This is a stock that broke yesterday. Guys, put it on your watch list. Volume is not that great though. Let's take a look at AI. AI short 162. Very risky, and you need to pre-enter. That's a 50-cent spread, a $2 stop loss, maybe more, and you need to pre-enter, meaning enter at 162, because if not, you're going to get filled at 160, 150, maybe lower. So that's going to be a tough one. I'm going to show 200 shares now at 162, a $2 stop loss. 162 short, 200 shares, $2 stop loss, and I'm not sure that's going to help to a $2 stop loss. But that's what I'm willing to risk on this super risky trade. 164. Again, Fubo is going to be also very, very aggressive. Let's take a look at Fubo. Anything, all those SPACs are totally out of control. Yeah, looks like XL pretty much. Very risky. Downgraded to $8. Well, I don't want to, insult the intelligence of Raymond James, but it's now trading at 46. It will need, 6 months to get to 8. And it was a good short at 47. Now at the lows, 46 or below 46. I'm not sure, really. Keep in mind, guys, that the market is still moving up, so we're looking for shorts. May not be the right thing. SQ is very weak. Well, it is indeed trending lower. Out of AI. It took a minute for it to move to $2. Lucky for me, I took only 200 shares. So again, SQ is trending lower, but I don't see any entry point here at the lows. Not to mention the market moving up. I rather find an entry in Apple or Tesla, but both are at the highs of the day. Yeah, Tesla is at the highs of the day, very, very strong. But again, there is no entry point right now, and there was maybe one entry point all day at 652, maybe at 650. Since then, nothing clear. Guys, those who love FireEye, or in this case today hate FireEye, it was posted in the room, but that was the entry, 2280. Now it's trending lower. It's very extended. I don't see a new entry point. So if there was an entry, it was here probably, 2280, risking like 20 cents. Now it's approaching 22. Maybe it's going to turn around actually. NKLA, guys, if you are in this trade, your entry was the 1450. Wow, really, really great. Really, really great from the 1450. Perfect timing now to take a partial for those who entered at 1450. Perfect. Peloton long. Let me see. I mean, Peloton has been on our watch list almost every day lately. Peloton long. Question is where? 165. That's the only entry, and basically you know by now that the 164 was the entry, not 165. I'm not going to buy it at 165 with more than $1 risk, where this reward is not really great. Yeah, it's gone. Should have been bought at 164.20, maybe 30. Easy to see in retrospect, but guys, NTLX is tradable? Yes, it is. What the hell's going on here? NTLX. Are you kidding me? Nobody is pointing us to NTLX at 15, 14. anything like that. I'm adding it to my watch list, NTLX. Moderna, yeah, I've been watching Moderna. It had a great reversal yesterday. Take a look at this reversal today, a gap down and an inside day. I mean, an inside day is not really worrying because we don't expect anything aggressive today. But what about an entry point? The only one that I see right now is 123. Again, it's not great, not great to short at 123. I'm going to stay away from it at this point. Wow, Facebook also back to the lows of the day. So we have a weird market, a weird market, or a weird Nasdaq. Facebook straight down, Baba straight down, Tesla straight up, Apple straight up, and the ZM is playing in the middle. Let me check some semiconductor stocks like AMD. Those are good movers. Yeah, AMD at the highs of the day, up nearly 1%. Yeah, Chewy can be interesting. Chewy can be interesting. Guys, any trade today should be half size. Being that we trade almost, in an hour, the volumes are going to drop even more. We are going to trade until 1 to the most. So I suggest everybody here take smaller positions. Brace for no movement. It's your half size. If you normally take on a position in Chewy 10,000 shares, take 5,000. If you take 50, take 25. It's not my size, it's your size. Again, it's every position is going to be different, but the point is that we have no market today, no volumes, and not enough time for trades to develop anyway because we're closing early today, and by 12 noon, which is in an hour, yeah, pretty much an hour and 20 minutes, the volumes are really going to die out. Yeah, let's take a look at FCL. FCL. Looks like a short to me after the amazing move yesterday. Guys, take a look at the dailies. I'm going to short FCL. This one I can deal with under 12.50 and risk 20 cents. That's reasonable. Yeah, I wanted to say let's start at 60, but too late. I will have to start at the 50. Stop is going to be 1270 for me. 1270. Yeah, I've been watching NTLX. The problem is that it's very extended. And is it back on my watch list? Hold on a second. NTLX and LTX, sorry, NLTX. NLTX, yeah. After, now it had a $2 pullback in a minute, in 2 minutes. Let's see what happens. If it's going to turn around, that's going to be great. Guys, those who are in LAZR, if it breaks 32 and it looks on its way down, I will take another partial. Maybe I will actually close the trade. I don't know. Let's see what happens at 32. Wow, Fubo broke with a vengeance at 46. The only trade that did not that did not break was this hideous AI. Lost $400 on that trade. Anyway, we can try NTLX at round numbers, 1650, maybe 17. I'm gonna, not gonna be aggressive, Steve. I'm gonna be actually very unaggressive today. PDD short. PDD has been a winner today, so why short it? Let's take a look. Definitely not. I don't want to short a PDD. The trend is higher. It has good support. This one may turn around on any pullback, so I suggest you don't short it. And if you short it, take into account a loser. XL, where is XL? XL back to 30? No, we wait. I don't want to short just because it's now back to 30. It's meaningless. I want to short a pattern. Right now we don't have anything. We wait. We don't have a pattern in Excel, but no, if it goes up to the VWAP, then I have something to work with. Now it's, in no man's land. ZM was posted, but ZM now turned higher. It's very choppy today. I will stay away from ZM. The FCL, stop loss 20 cents. Let me post it. $0.20 of risk in FCL if it breaks 12.50. Another option will be to short now at 12.60 and risk 10 cents, but it's exactly in the middle, so I won't do it right now. Let's see what happens at the VWAP. If it's going to come down from the 1270, I can still short at 1260. Sorry, 1259 and risk 12 cents. Let's put it this way: I want to risk as little as possible into this go nowhere market. And let's take a look at INO. INO. INO looks sad. Really, really, really sad. Not moving anymore. Let's take a look at the daily also. Yeah, it gapped up, immediately turned around. Not the stock that we used to trade 3 months ago, 4 months ago. Yeah, 4 months ago. IPV, I still have a position in IPV. 3 days in a row now. Had a winner that was Wednesday or Tuesday. And I'm going to exit now at 12.50. Sorry, it was 17.50. It's going to be my farewell and goodbye to IPV. Did not make any money on yesterday nor today, but the first day was great. Second day, nothing. Today, same old, same old. So right now, the only stocks that I'm looking at are FCL short LAZR for a move under 32. Let me see what else. JKS long 76. Let's take a look. JKS long 76. Yeah, looks great. Looks great. A bit risky. Risk is going to be, as always, big. Almost $1. Almost $1 of risk in JKS over 76. It's going to be also spready, and I suggest you take small positions. I'm going to take 600 shares. 600 shares of JKS. Oh, this is so spready, unbelievable. BLNK, guys, is unstoppable, but there was no entry point other than this retest to the VWAP. Unbelievable. Yeah, JKS at 76. Again, very risky for this time of day. Although the entry is clear, take a look at the chart, Simon. At 76, a reversal trade carrying almost 80 cents. Sorry, 36, yeah. 70 cents, and the spreads, which are 20 cents. So anyway you look at it, it's a big mover and super risky. So if you take smaller positions. Of course, long. Take a look at the pattern. It's after the 2 minutes lower in the morning, turned up, back to the view up, higher, and we're looking for this trade. Now, is it a strong stock? You look at the daily. Today it gapped down, but it has a hammer, so it's not. Again, it's not a trade that I will say, wow, let's go. Okay. So 76. I posted my entry to be at 76.02. Only 600 shares. Anything that I'm doing right now is gonna be very low, very low, very low on entries and tight stop losses. Guys, LAZR looks better. FCL just touched the entry and moved up. Why is it happening? Hate it. Anyway. Yeah, Tesla is very extended to buy at 665. You have a huge stop loss there. It's a bull flag. I'm staying away. Too late with Tesla. Too late. Again, the target in JKS is going to be, wow, that's going to be a tough one. 50 cents for the partial, hopefully more. There's a big seller at 76.25. Big seller at 76.25. Is Tesla easy money at the highs? I don't know. You'll see in a minute. You'll see in a minute if Tesla is easy money. I have to, dispute that Tesla is easy money, but at least the entry is clear. There's no doubt that the entry is clear. Is it going to be easy money? We'll see. Yeah, the market closes today at 1, but the volumes are going to drop significantly in about an hour. I mean, I'm going to try to trade at least until 12. Yeah, let's take a look at XPV. XPV is on my watch list, but it doesn't have a trend. XPV today, if at all, it has an upside trend, up, pullback, maybe up here at for a long trade, not for a short trade. Now let's look at Tesla. I did not enter Tesla, being that it was so extended. It's up 3%. It has almost touched the 665 and pulled back a bit. Those who want to trade the 665 will have I will say a $3 stop loss. Again, $3 is for Tesla. $3 is 0.5%, so it's not a big stop loss. Neo or Eno? I think Eno is dead. Let's look at Neo. Neo also not very, not great, not great. Looks like a hammer. If you look at this chart, you'll see a hammer or an inside day. Again, all the market is basically trading an inside day today. But Neo is not a favorite of mine at this point. Guys, as much as I don't want to buy Tesla at 665, I don't want to short Tesla at 660 whatever. It's not my favorite at this point. Because we don't have really control about this trade. I mean, the only good thing about it from a short trader perspective is that you do have the clear stop loss that's 665. That's all. But the trend is higher today. Okay, so actually I did today like 6 trades, maybe had four losers, one partial, but BLNK is for me $10 in the money. So all I'm doing right now is worrying about BLNK. Yeah, let's take a look at FedEx. Weak. This is weird. Why is FedEx so weak into its big business? These holiday deliveries, which are going to be probably very profitable for them. Guys, JKS is working. We got the partial. 76.80 will be a great partial. I have 600 shares. I'm going to take 400 off any second now. Because you don't take the partial fast, trust me, there's nothing is left in a second. Everything's going to be gone. Waiting 10 more cents. Hopefully, it's not too much. Shit. Okay, took it at 76.50. But again, it's important to take partials first and deal with the big winner, if there's going to be a big winner today later. Stop loss for me under 76. Under the 76. Yeah, the vaccine deliveries are a peanut. That's not money for FedEx. Billions of dollars ordered from all over the world that they're going to fly. Sorry, that's their money. And everybody that orders now from Amazon, from Baba, Alibaba, JD, whatever, all the shipping is going to be FedEx and UPS. All the, of course, air shipping, or most of it, because the normal carriers don't fly because of the corona. So they're going to make a lot of money, I'm thinking, but it's not showing at this point. Anyway, take a look at JKS. A minute after I said it's going to pull back, take the partial, it's dropping 40 cents. That's hideous. It's so market is not falling. The market is not taking part. It's like random bars. I would call them random bars today. You basically trade we don't have a trading day today. It's like just wasting time. CIIC, let's take a look. CIIC. CIIC. Volume is good, but it's too spready to trade, Steven. Too spready. Wow, Facebook is losing it today. What happened? Facebook had a bull flag, a bear flag, dropped down. Baba now has a bear flag, and even Apple is leading lower. So guys, brace for a leg down. William, Merry Christmas to you. Happy holidays. See you next week. Dash is dead, Hamza. Take a look at this price action. It's not showing anything. Hold on a second. What the hell is going on here? Yeah, it's, you know what? I don't want to say it's definitely going to drop, but if so, I don't have an entry point. It's very flat trading, no volumes. It's trading today less than 250,000 shares. Actually, exactly 250,000 shares. Not something that we want to, deal with. Buy Baba at 218. The trend is lower in the market, and the trend is lower in the bear flag in Baba. I won't buy Baba right now. Wait for the market to turn around and then buy it. Then use the lows as stop loss. Although the trend is at this point lower. Swing Baba. Of course, if you are $5, $10, $20 in the money, I don't know how much. Yeah, by any means, swing it. But if you're not in the money, or you are just entering now, I suggest you don't do anything right now. Back to the lows in FCL. Very good support at 1250. Very good support at 1250. Maybe it's smart to adjust the entry at 12, if at all, at 1247. Yeah, I won't expect much from the market today. There will be probably no news with regard to the stimulus plan, which was kind of rebuffed by Trump. I'm not sure if it is really off the table. It was, the money is not going to come in fast because it needs to sign it. Now, will they agree on more money or not, and if so, when? But the market sees it pretty much as a done deal. Well, the market is positive. SPY is up 0.15, the Qs are up 0.27. So the market basically is not rejecting. Obviously, the market moved down 0.25% on the news. That's how important this package is to the market. It's really not important. It's important to persons, but let's face it, it's not really important. They said they have money sent to, I don't know where, Sudan and on many other places. It's like most of the money is not even going to be used in the United States anyway. It's a weird package. Okay, so Baba broke under the low, so those who are looking for a short trade, forget about it. Those who are in the trade, you have a new stop loss over 220. All I can say is that the trade that started in Baba, and Baba is at record 15% down, I think. I don't remember these numbers for Baba. This 224.60 breakdown or 225, now $10, that's a big number for Baba. And PDD, of course, is not moving lower. Guys, a reminder from Clifton, the last day for the promo, for the Christmas promo is Monday. Okay, now let's see if FCL can really drop after it dropped 1247. That was really the entry. I wasn't very accurate with the entry before, but again, I'm still not sure that it's going to deliver anything. 1247, it's not working. Not really. Space, let's take a look. SPC, is it dropping? I'd like to see something that's really dropping or dropped. This is history because it started to move at 26. Now it's at 25.50. It's not going to be very helpful right now. Okay, guys, I'm going to exit FCL at 12 at the view up, 1263. Not going to lose on this trade. It's not working, and not going. I don't want to force anything. Better get out with a small loser than worry about it later. Wow, guys, Peloton, big winner. AI now dropped when I'm out of the trade under 162, so nothing for me. Let's take a look at FUBO. The trend is still lower in FUBO. I'm not. I don't suggest a long trade there. I don't see also the entries. It's wild. So maybe if it's gonna move sideways, test the 45 and gives if it's gonna give us a good entry point, fine. MARA can be a trade over the VWAP. That's 1130. 1130 in MARA over the VWAP. Let's take a look at AIRT. AIRT. You sure this is a stock that trades no volume? It's not actually a stock. It's a pink sheet or something like that over the counter. We don't trade anything like this. Anything that doesn't have a level 2, it's not in our. What the hell's going on here? That's weird. Looks like a pink sheet or a over-the-counter pump and dump type of trade. Yeah, let's take a look at SQ. Wow, SQ. Trend is lower today in SQ. So I don't see any reason to buy it. Maybe short at 227 and use 228 as stop loss. I'm not going to buy SQ today. The trend is clearly lower. Clearly lower in SQ. JMIA, wow, another winner on the daily chart. JMIA losing it today. We missed a good entry in JMIA. Maybe here at 43. Maybe. Guys, LAZR, $1 in the money any second now, and if it drops now 32, it's going to be perfect. If, that's a big if. There's a huge buyer at 32. Yeah, NKLA, guys, I'm telling you, this is now, looks like maybe the end for NKLA. It's like no bid at any price level. Those who shorted at 14.50 have $1 plus. Sorry, not $1. Almost $1 on this one. NKLA, what can you do? You don't do anything. Take the partial and wait. And it may continue. Again, I don't see entry points for Tesla. It's moving now lower from the highs, but I don't see entry points. Okay, guys, we're looking a bit better with our FCL trade. Finally, 10 cents in the money. 15 cents in the money. Kodak is also dropping. Let's take a look at Kodak. Yeah, well, it's dropping, but it's a game of cents. Maybe a 10 cent up, maybe a 10 cent down. Well, if Meir still has a position in Baba, I'm sure he has a small position. Wow, this is like Baba is getting destroyed. Really, really destroyed. Wow. I will check later, but I can bet that this is the worst day ever for Baba. Don't remember Baba with 5%. Baba is a solid mega cap for the Nasdaq. Mega cap. So this one down 15%, it's 16%. It's staggering. Now the market is back to the VWAP. Yeah, there will be a bounce any second in Baba, but that's not something that I'm looking to buy. In retrospect, even the 218 breakdown worked to perfection. Even the 218, it's up almost $4. No, it's not true. Chinese stocks have been unbelievable investments. Many of them are just amazing. I mean, take a look at NEO, PDD, Bailey, I don't know, dozens of others. There are, of course, Luckin Coffee is one out of 500. So Luckin Coffee represents nothing. And again, Baba was a huge winner after the IPO. It was at one point one of the biggest IPOs ever. Guys, take a look at this JKS. What a terrible trade this stock is. So I took the partial at 76.60, moved my stop loss to the entry, and totally forgot about this trade. Look at it now. It's like so volatile and crazy. Guys, take a look at PDD. This is a Chinese IPO from last year. Okay, this is up. I don't know, 500% or 600%. Billy the same. So there are Chinese IPOs that are working. Others are failing, like Luckin Coffee, which was a scam. But it happens. There are scams in China. Yeah, this is obviously the worst day ever for Baba. And just watching it, it's unbelievable because I would have, expected it to really down almost 17% and still going. You know how much money it's 17% of Baba? A lot. The entry in JKS was the entry in JKS was 76.09 and sold it at 76.49. So 400 shares and then exited at 75, 78. So barely made any money. I'm going to be out of the IPV trade at 1750. Yeah, out. Anyway, bye IPV. NCLH, let's take a look. NCLH, maybe for a short trade, risking 10 cents to get 10 cents. I don't see anything interesting in NCLH. Tesla again showing its strength, reverse from 660. Guys, you know what? Let's try Apple. I'm gonna buy Apple, a small position. Let me see the entry, if I can find one fast. Apple is up 1.2%, 132.50, 132.50 in Apple. Risk is gonna be 25 cents, no more than 25 cents for Apple at 132.50. And target for the partial 1-to-1. Keep in mind, we're trading a super lousy environment, and 1-to-1 is what I'm looking for. I mean, actually, I'm looking for 10-to-1, but it's not going to happen. Yeah, FCL is now delivering. That's actually, maybe it took some time, but now really delivering. Yeah, that's partial territory. You know what? I'm not going to be greedy. I'm going to take the partial at 12.17 now. By the time I'm saying 12.17, this one moves higher. But okay, 12.20. I'm taking the partial, 900 shares off, and the reminder is going to be with the stop loss at stop loss is going to be 12. You know what? 12.61. This is a fast mover. Or the entry. You know what? I'm going to do it at the entry, and that's going to be fine with me. JMIA long. JMIA is trending lower today. So I don't know if this is a long trade. JMIA long. Not sure. Jasperi, about 43. It's been tested a couple of times, rejected every time. The trend is lower all day. Take a look at this. I mean, you see it. It's down 8%. There is profit taking in JMIA. JMIA is not extended. It's hyper extended on any time frame. Wow, are you kidding me? Another leg down in Baba? That's now 211 and counting. I think the stock went from the highs of the year to the lows of the year in a month. That's Baba. Take a look. Wow, this is unbelievable. I mean, it started to show issues here mid-November. This whole month was a disaster for Baba, where this is the best time of the year for Baba, normally. Yeah, it's actually trading now at 2019 prices. Ouch. No, it will stop. Eventually it will stop. I don't know where and when, and you know why, though. There will be the buyers will come in at one point.
Hey, Michael. Hi, traders. What's going on?
Hi, Amir. How are you this morning?
I'm okay. Yourself?
Did you see the disaster in Baba?
No. I didn't trade yet. What happened in Baba? What happened?
Nobody's buying.
Really?
No, the Chinese government is having an investigation. I don't know exactly what they're checking, but into Baba accounting and stuff. And of course, this is not a good thing.
Really? Nobody's buying. Wow. How was your day? I see a lot of things happened, no? Half day, but things happened.
Yeah. There were some good movers. Now I think we're pretty much looking at the end of the trading day, but we still have like, what's the time now? 11:20. We still have like 40 minutes until 12, maybe a little bit after. Guys, LAZR is going to drop 32 any second. That's going to be my second and final partial, and then I will swing it. If it closes under 32.
Did you trade Nakla today, Michael? And KLA?
No, I didn't, but some people here in the room traded
50th.
it from 1450 or whatever.
Yeah.
NKLA, one of the best winners.
Yeah. It's the 15th that it didn't break yesterday. Yeah. It's the 15th that it didn't break yesterday. So today did it.
Guys, take a look at this perfect down, a reversal to 1450, a bear flag above 1450 and between the VWAP. That's 12-cent stop loss and down $1. Now it's reversing. Yeah, AI, I didn't trade it, Tanvir. I didn't trade it at 160, 162. I don't remember where was the stop loss or the entry. I think 162, but yeah, it was 162. Wow, really? Are you kidding me? My stop loss was 164. It got exactly to 164. And then, the reason why I didn't post the stop loss over, because if it breaches by 1 cent, you get a 50-cent punishment. So very unlucky with this trade. Very unlucky, but others paid for it. Yeah, your stop loss, VWAP was 165. So now it's a $3 stop loss. I took 200 shares. I didn't want to be now looking at $600 of risk per one trade. It's not spready. It's super spready. It's a spreader. Anyway, I think this is a tough trade. On the other hand, NKLA is an easy trade. NKLA at 1450. I should have been in that trade. I didn't take it. But I did take LAZR, $1 in the money, or actually only 70 cents in the money, but looking good. Yeah, let's go now with Amir on NKLA short.
What we can do
Under
is
14.
buy half position here, 30.98, and if it's gonna break the 90, even add more. Risk reward is great. It's the reversal, and it actually line up with the break of 14 at what's in the time was 10:55. Yeah, so you can build a position. You can put half size and under 90, or maybe we can buy it a little bit higher. Let's see. Looks like it wants to continue higher, so I will wait for it.
It's going to turn around from the VWAP if there's going to be enough time.
Yeah, there's enough time. There's an hour and a half. It's enough time for vernacular.
Guys, FCL is getting killed. Eventually, it was a diehard. Now at 12.
After 2 days, huh? It looks even great, Michael, under 12, you know? We can scalp it, no? It's the low of the first candle.
We shorted it here. We shorted it here at 1250.
Wow.
Here. You can see it on the chart.
Yeah. It looks amazing.
Now maybe it drops 12 and that's going to be beautiful.
Where is the stop?
Guys, those who love Tesla, another trade is coming. I mean, 664?
Tesla. Wow.
Is it 664? Yeah. 66. You know what? I'm not going to trade Tesla today. I think missed the morning moves and now it's going to be way too risky. But at least the risk on this bull flag is only 664, 66, let's call it 2, anywhere between $2 and $2.50. Daniel, have a great holiday. Merry Christmas. See you next week.
Bye, Daniel. You have to put the turkey in the oven? Okay. Maybe you need to cook.
No, this is roasting. This is
roasted.
not turkey time.
Not turkey time? Yeah. Turkey's on me today. Okay. I felt it, Daniel. I felt it, you see? I actually felt it.
Microsoft short, let's take a look. MSFT short. Normally, we don't look even at short trades in Microsoft. We look only at long trades. I want short them. I want short them Microsoft. If so, maybe under 221.80. Man, then it's gonna go probably for 30 cents. If it's gonna go. Yeah, Apple. Where's Apple? Why is Apple not on my watch list?
1%.
Really,
Michael,
I have so many open positions. I totally forgot that I have Apple. It was hidden. Okay, I'm out of Apple. Entered at 132.50. Stopped out at 132. 132.22. That's what happens when you have 10 open positions. That's really too much. I'll have to cut some slack here. eBay short. Let's take a look.
And KLA even under 14 we can, but look, the ask to be under 14. It looks even better now.
Okay, we broke under the lows. James, eBay is very weak. Well, very weak, down 1.7, but the only entry that you have right now is the breakdown under the lows. Not that great, you know. And the market is not going to move, I guess, not going to move much. Although we never know, you know. I would assume that we're not going to see any more price action. pending a big surprise into the close. Nobody wants to sell into the holiday, and jingle bells are not it's not the happiest time of the year anymore, or this year, but normally we see lots of positivity and positive trading days around Christmas. Again, it's totally different this year. Again, guys, the question is how deep this this stalemate between Trump and Congress is going to be over this stimulus plan, or just they're just going to say the hell with it and wait for him to leave. That's in a month. But that's if people need money, a month is a long period of time. Guys, the FXI, the Chinese internet sector, is of course dominated by Baba. Take a look at the leg down today. It's 1.8 down, and the price action is exactly like Baba, exactly like the price action in Baba. So this is this FXI is pretty much the cues of China. It's more like Apple. What Apple is to the Qs is this one, this ETF or index fund. I'm not sure if it's ETF or index fund, whatever it is. It's dominated by Baba. The market is not in the red. The market is still positive. SPY is up. Qs are up. Marginally, most of the stocks that I'm watching are red. But take a look at my watch list. You see it's all red other than Tesla, Apple, semiconductors, Qs and SPY, and Netflix. So basically, everything is red other than the leaders. Tesla, Apple, semiconductors, the Qs and SPY. So that sends a message. I don't know if is FUTU in any connection with Baba. I have zero clue what FUTU, FUBO does.
Fubo, I don't know also.
No, sorry, he said FUTU, not FUBO. Okay, FUTU again. You're giving us homework for the weekend to check what the hell is FUTU and FUBU.
I'm not gonna look.
Well, very nice V shape in Baba now. So again, it was clear that it's not gonna, the panic is maybe there is some panic here, but down 17%. It's not like they're closing down Baba or they're closing down Alibaba. Yeah, let's take a look at Moderna. Wow, Moderna also very weak. Very weak. But where is the entry? Again, maybe 123.50. I cannot say that I suggest that you trust these market units.
Again, where is the entry? I don't know. Where is the stop loss? 125. So you're not going to get your 1-to-1 probably. The market is though leaving now a hammer from 368. Sorry, from 367.80. Guys, the best winner today or the best mover today was NTLX. We can watch it for a trade over not sure exactly where. Okay, I'm gonna wait. I want to say 1450, but no, I'm not okay with that number.
Michael, look at Python 164.50. Look what a nice bear flag if it's breaking the view up. It's still positive, but I think it's a low high and there is a nice bear flag, the 80-cent stop. If it's gonna break, it can actually do something pretty nice.
Yeah. Peloton 164.50?
Yeah, right now. I'm watching to see the ask drop in and then click. Yeah. Ask is like 55.4. Looks pretty good. Okay, I mean. Again, the partial will be, if we get to the partial, 3/4, just because, half day. So we can actually look at this like toward the last hour. I think 2 minutes, if we're going to survive this, the next candle can bring us good stuff. Yeah. So there's a nice candle, there's a nice breakup. Yeah, let's see. We have a minute and a half. Looking good. We're getting to 30 cents, but it's not enough.
Guys, Peloton was at the beginning of the year $15 or 20. Nobody was looking. Nobody cared. Nobody was interested. It looked like one of those IPOs that are going nowhere.
One of those bicycles.
And then something that, and then something that wasn't written on any business plan, even if Einstein would have written the business plan for Peloton, he would have not have thought about this scenario.
Yeah. The Corona did good for it, huh? Corona was the best thing that happened for her, for them.
Yeah, so. The best plus.
Yeah.
For them, it's like gold.
Okay.
Better than gold.
Yeah. Another 30 seconds, and I think the next candle can give us a nice partial. So we are 64, but again, I think next candle will be the key. Okay, good. 60, good.
Danny, there aren't that many hedge funds that are shorting Peloton. Okay. I mean, those who are shorting Peloton are losing their shirts 5 months back.
Maybe they are losing their shirts because they do the exercise on the bicycle, so they're sweat.
Maybe.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
Maybe they are,
yeah. We need to break the 63.90. Yeah. Then it's going to be good. 100,000 shares were in the previous candle. We want to see them coming back.
Yeah, guys, let's watch NKLA. It's back to the VWAP area.
I thought about it on Veer, but now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green candle, and not so sure. Not so sure. I'm not sure that it's finishing. It's finished the move, and with the five, cent. I love those kind of trade, but here it can be very quickly. Yeah. You can taste it, build small position and add, but I don't know. I'm not succeed to read it. Your Tesla is coming, Michael. You want to take it over the high, 66450?
No, I'm not going to take it now. It's like too late. And
Yeah, I think so. It's Tesla, yeah. It can take off your shirt and more clothes like in a minute. So, yeah, in a second, not in a minute. So.
element D, nice leg down, then reverse from the lows back to the VWAP. If it is a trade, maybe it's a short trade, not a long trade. If it is a trade, I'm not going to trade anything that looks so spready and unclear. Guys, LNTX is on my watch list. If it doesn't break under 14, you can see it looks like it's stabilizing here. I'm looking to buy at 14.50. Again, it's very spready for a $14 stock, but an amazing mover today.
From
Can we trust it to deliver a good move?
From technically
Not
point
really.
of view, Python did, 60 cents, came back, retest exactly to the 50. Now I want to see it breaking it's, the 90. If it's going to get to the 90 and not going to do, I have to say I will have to compromise in 60 cents, but I want to read the tape because, it did, and it became more people, bought it back. Let's see, the key will be the 163.890. So technically it did everything. Yeah, let's see. I'm still watching it. Okay. You sit and view. Now class continue higher. Yeah. It lost the mojo, I think. Okay, guys. 95, 90. I see the bid in 90. Let's see if we break the bid and then the ask will go after. So we're again in the 90. Lock in the level 2. Ask is under the 64. You saw what happened? Jumped like 15 cents. Yeah, good resistance there.
Guys, I wasn't fast enough to buy NLTX. As soon as I was thinking, yeah, let's buy it, moved them 50 cents in a split second. It's very spready, and I think I missed it. I'm sure I missed it. It's a $15 stock, 20 cent spread, so you can't afford, can't really afford to trade it as a $15 stock. Yeah, it's ugly. I agreed, it's ugly, but it delivered 70 cents in 2 minutes. I mean, if the stock has zero spreads, trust me, it's not delivering 7 cents in 2 minutes.
Guys, let's buy right now Nakla. 16, 17, stop will be like 12 cents. Let's buy half position. Not succeed to write it. Let's buy half position if it's going to break 17. Okay, so let's look at the level 2. Stop going to be above the high there, 1430. And if it's break 14, we're going to add more. Okay, so not yet. Not yet. Not yet. I wanted to see the first time it's breaking it and see if it's coming back what it did right now. I want to see if it's dropping again under 18. Then 12 cents and we can buy half position. Market now is helping us. Also, if it's going to be a sell-off, I want to watch the UVXY. Really ridiculous top, 15 cents. And I don't know if it's going to be something, even one few bars red in the markets, we can maybe do something there.
Back to the lows, guys. Facebook broke under the lows. Baba is still moving up. Maybe this is going to be a surprise move into the close. I mean, on paper, we still have 1 hour of trading. Normally, any other Christmas, I would have said, done, gone home, not going to trade anymore. But, you know, with the algos running the show here, maybe we can see more downside.
Yeah. No, Amir, I'm talking about NKLA. If it's dropping under 18, short, half position. So I'm still watching it. And market have resistance 367.40. After that, we have a gap 367.20 or something. Let's see, UVXY. It's bruises, but maybe it can do something. Python, guys. Python, bid 90. You see the bid going under 90, maybe the show will start. It's a tough area. It's touched, see how many times it's touched the 90, 163.90. If it's break, it's gonna be strong. Of course, I'm talking from position, but the position looks good. No, Python.
The market is lower.
Yeah, the Python, I haven't done nothing yet in Python, nothing. Didn't take any partial, nothing. Okay, 96, 5, 90 again, 90. Look at the bid, guys. Oh yeah, let's the show begin. Okay, go. 80, 70 cents. More. You want to see it more. Okay.
we always want more. This is, if it breaks now, maybe
Yeah,
163.50.
Why not, Michael?
So
I don't know.
Peloton is really strong.
Yeah,
Take a
you
look
see?
at Apple diving and
Yeah.
Peloton refusing.
Yeah, you see, the buyers are coming. You see, it brought it up to the 80, 85. Yeah, so there's a lot of buyers there that actually prevent it to, because Peloton is walking, like, sharp candles and somebody's holding it. So I want to see the capitulation. Let's see, 70. We are fighting for every 10 cents. Give me a break. $70. Oh yeah, 65. Good. Boom. Oh yeah. Yeah, we are starting to do it. Nice. Definitely the partial will be 3/4. Stop will be at the entry. Definitely. Oh yeah. So, yeah. Give me a break. Unbelievable. You know what I'm doing? I'm going to buy half position in KLA. Right now, 5 cents stop. Small position, half. Right now, bought 14.26. If it shows 4.31, I'm going to throw this half position. Yeah. And under 14.15, I'm going to add more. It's 5. Even if you are taking 1,000 shares, $50 risk, really. And reward could be. No long, short. I'm going to buy it. Okay, I'm going to short it. I'm going to buy it for short. How do you say if you want to short it? I have to say I'm going to short it. Okay, thanks. Now I understand. I want to sell it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I will use the lot terminations. Okay. As long as the stock will do it. Okay. Under 14.15, I'm going to add to my sell. Okay. Clear? And this will be again 15 cent stop. Not write it because I'm watching those two stocks and I think everything's pretty clear. Okay. So 14.15 I think will be a good area if it's break it. And you know what? If we're going to be aggressive and it's going to reach again the 14, we can even add more. Yeah. So let's see.
Baba is working those V shapes, Jay. So it's tough to trade those V shapes because if it gets closer to the V up and you have time to analyze the trade, but if it gets close to the V up and 2 minutes later it's dropping $1, then you have no analysis, no time to watch, and you're not going to act in panic. So basically, this is maybe 218 is a good entry, still risking $1 plus. Now it's under 216, so it's such a big mover today. I mean, it's covering $1 per minute.
There's nothing in JD, Victor. JD is 1.2. I don't see the strength, and no, there's nothing there yet. I didn't take anything in Python, so yeah, didn't take anything. I reduced, but yeah.
Again, asked if you short Baba, where is your stop loss? Now it's at 216. $1, $2, not clear. One thing is clear, Tesla is the best stock in the market right now. At all-time highs, in this market, it's moving up. It's not at all-time highs, but not far away from there. It's up today 3%. When the rest of the market is actually trending lower. Guys, remember yesterday's IPO, GBS?
I didn't watch it today. Did it do something?
No. It trades 3 shares.
Nothing.
No shares, no. I mean, there was maybe one trade, the breakdown here at 11 and a quarter, but that's pretty much it. Baba long? Not really. I don't know. No. If it's going to move sideways 15, 20 minutes, give us an entry point and a stop loss, yeah. But, not going to take a position based on 2-minute bars. 2 2-minute bars, that's 4 minutes. Above the view up, the view up is way up. The view up is at 220 or 218. So you have like $4 to the view up now. Maybe 3. Boeing is also weak, can break 216, but support is, can break 216.50, but support is 20 cents below. So not really interesting. If you do want to buy Kumar, if you want to buy Baba, you can buy 216.50, risk 50 cents. That's based on a couple of bars here, but I'm not a fan. It can easily go both ways.
What stock are you talking, Michael?
Talking about Baba.
Baba.
Now, today, 100 million shares traded in Baba. Wow, that's a record, I think. Yeah, definitely a record this year. By far. Panic hit Baba. I'm sure that there are expectations for a pullback. Most of the good news are priced in, if not all of the good news. The market is near all-time highs levels, or at all-time all-time highs levels. So it's like profit taking. The new year. It's looking like it's around the corner. Remember, every year we started with a big leg down. 2019 was started with a big sell-off. 2020 started in February and March with a big sell-off. Although January was very strong. So doesn't necessarily mean that this year we're going to 2021 we're going to start with a sell-off, but it makes sense. Maybe this big red bar is going to kill NKLA, Amir, or it's has zero impact on NKLA.
I don't know. Kumar, there is an announcement, the Python stop. Very clear. 65.30, 80 cents. I reduced the entry. I'm still have position. And if I'm watch it on 5 minutes, if you're going to break this one, it's almost the same trigger. I'm going to add more. I'm going to add again to a full position. Yeah, because I like when the trigger come back same place, same time, not same time, but the low of this candle is around 50. And I took the UVXY, but I took it with 10 cents stop. Because that's the time, the bull flag, my stop was under 10.86. So exactly 10 cents. Now, it's very important because it's affect the amount of shares. Think about it, 10 cents, so taking 1,000 shares, it's $100 risk. If it was 15, you will take maybe 700 in order to keep. So if the stocks even do 20, 25, 30 cent, almost triple, that's pretty good. So it's very important if you're using a risk for every trade. The size of the stop affect you, for sure. So let's see. We want to see the market drop in 367.40, which is the higher low of yesterday, and then after 20 cents we have more. Let's see. If I'm going to see the UVXY around even 11.30, I'm going to be very happy. Yeah.
Every red bar is being met by a big green bar. So it's we're channeling lower, but the channel is not turning into a leg down. It's just a channel.
Kumar, when you have a trigger that says 14.15, it doesn't mean that if the stock is touching, you're getting into. It need to break it. So I said that I'm going to add full position under 14.15, but it touched 14.15 a few times. I didn't see it printing under. And yeah, the stop is the high of that consolidation, above 30, so it's 15 cents. So hard entry. What do you mean? Automatic? So automatic, you have to throw the 14 or the 13, not 15, of course. Stop entry is like a market, so it's really same. Okay, Python. I'm full position again. Let's see. I add the half that I lost, that I reduced. And I'm waiting Akla. And UVXY is coming back a little bit to the entry. I use the limit here, yeah. Or you can do, you can put a stop limit, but put the stop price under 15 and give it few cent range. Definitely not exactly on the 15 because 15 is not relevant. See, this current one touched the 15. 5 minutes ago, it touched the 15. So 15 is exactly on the 9. We need to break it.
Yeah, Timothy, the market is going to close at 1 p.m. in exactly 15 minutes. And again, another red bar down and another green bar
50.
up. That's ugly.
50 minutes you meant. You
Yeah,
meant
50,
15 minutes, no, Michael? Yeah, I thought I heard.
No, 50.
50.
50 at 1 p.m.
Yeah.
Why is NKLA not dropping, Amir?
Believe me. Just to kill our.
That's why I had a huge opportunity to short it at 14.50 in the morning and gave up on that trade. And guess what?
Yeah.
Now it's not dropping anymore.
Yeah. But it will. Look how it looks on the 15. Looks perfect, Michael. If it's going to break the 15, yeah, it looks amazing. So hopefully they are reading the technical charts. Also Python, what's going on? No, it's supposed to go down and just go down. So it's holding and holding and holding.
Guys, it's not a trade for today, but Mara over 1130. Maybe Monday, if it's not going to gap up, the daily is unbelievable. It had the sell-off days. Now it's coming up from the lows. Mara is a long trade. It's on my watch list. 1130. DKNG, guys, new trades into this DKNG. I would suggest be very cautious about DKNG had a great breakdown actually under 52.50. Good for a nice partial, but I won't buy or do anything with it right now, or short it or trade it. Again, Vogue, what is your entry in SDC? If you enter this week with us on the swing trade, fine. If you entered at the lows today, fine. If you're just looking for a swing right now, again, I don't see a reason. 1340? No. That's not good enough. Unless it closes at 1380, then maybe, but I don't see it happening for you. I mean, the daily is very strong, but you have like 10 cents in the money. That's nothing. That's less than 1%. Normally, you want to swing 5% winners, 10% winners, not 1% winners. 1% winner is turning fast into a loser overnight. Can turn fast. Wow, this is a really long weekend. Friday, 3-day weekend. That's the timing for this Christmas in terms of holiday and everything. Perfect. Otherwise, horrible.
Next week we have full week. No, Michael. I think even the 31st there's still market. No.
Yeah, 31st half a day. 31st half a day, and then
half day.
The January 1st is coming over the weekend. I think so. It's the markets are going to be closed.
No. January 31st is Thursday, and then Friday is the January 1st.
Okay, so January 1st it's closed. I think 100%.
Really?
So Friday is going to be closed. Really? Yeah. Wow, Amir. NKLA diving. Maybe this is going to be our trade into the close. I don't think I will take any new trades, but definitely going to manage this NKLA. The VWAP guys, again, a winner. Take a look at the VWAP, again, giving us a very good chance. Scott, PDD is up big time. NKLA is down 6%. NKLA is at the lows of the day. PDD is up 9%. I will buy a PDD. I mean, I'm not going to do it just because of the timing, but if not, this is a long trade at 153.60.
154. Yeah, I saw it earlier, but just because it broke the 153, I was watching it, Michael. I was watching it.
You know
Okay,
what? I'm taking a
guys.
small position, guys, at 153, 153.60. It's going to be
You're right.
a risk. The risk is going to be, well, almost $1.
Yeah. So take half position, Michael, and above 154, add more. Guys, under 14, I'm going to add more in NKLA. And for that, the stop is going to be 10 cents. Another add. Looks really good. Looks promising, looks beautiful on different time scale. Let's see. It can drop another 50 cents to the low. And if, people wants to...
Okay, guys, take a look at WPP. Sorry, WPP. PDD. Looks great for me. I will buy it at 153.60. Risk 60 cents. And if it breaks 154, guess what? Yeah.
We have a name for this. We call it Puff Daddy, the PDD. Yeah, it's the Puff Daddy. Wow, guys, look at Dakla. Huge amount, huge amount, huge amount. Let's break the 90. Uchi Mama. Uchi Mama. Okay, 90, 90. So I think I'm double size already. Okay, here's the 90. So it's like 35 cents, guys. Think about the half position, 5 cents. So right now we are 35, like 7 times more. You had 1,000 shares, risk you $50. Probably right now it's $3.50. Okay. If I see it going 92, I'm going to take partial.
Guys, my stop loss is 154 in PDD. It spiked up exactly to the 154, but there is a big seller there and immediately dropped. So that's not good. Wow, what a move in Baba now. Really?
Okay. Partial in Akla. We were waiting, Michael. We took it with 5 cents add and another add. It's a nice one, really. It's the rules of the numbers, Small stop, you can take more shares. It's looking good. UVXY, 1 cent in the money. And Python, I don't know what it's doing right now. So yeah, but we have Nakla looking good.
Okay, I'm gonna take also the partial in NKLA.
Michael, throw a trailing 4 cents, Michael. 4 cents. You don't need more than 4 cent trailing.
I'm gonna sell at 1387 or lower. Or buy, cover at 1387 or lower. And if it gets to 1380, that's gonna be perfect.
Yeah, looking good. Guys, are you in Nakla? Guys, if you don't mind, what was your size in Nakla? This is a trade based on big and good size. If you just took few size, few shares, nothing. Yeah, definitely. Those are the numbers. Those are the numbers. Okay, yeah, 5,000 shares. Yeah, if you add more, then good. 200, David. Go cut the turkey. 200 shares, give me a break. What do you want to do with 200 shares when you have a small stop? The key here is, yeah. Okay, you took a partial, Alec. Keeping your green day. If you started with me 200 shares at 14.25, you risk $5. I hope your profit is more than $5. Yeah. UVXY, guys, 3 cents in the money. You're expecting? I'm not expecting, you know. I wanna see it going to 1350. What's gonna do? 70 specifically? I don't know. I don't know. Guy, be careful. I see a lot of people are talking about Baba. As Michael was saying, the volume is huge. There are huge players that are now doing something that they can kick you before you even blink. So I think it's a little bit tough area to trade there. Really, it's very tough. Very tough.
If I'm looking at the chart, there was no signal for Baba. Now it moved higher on good volume, but before this move, there was no like pattern signal. Only a double, some tails above 214.50. Or some tails above 214.70. Let's call it blind spot. What was the symbol, Eliyahu? ID? ID? Sure, this is the symbol? Yeah, but this is not something that we trade. On top of that, it's not tradable. It has like 50 cent spreads on a $9 stock. Too aggressive for us to deal with. ID, great symbol, but great daily also, but it's not, nobody's trading this one.
It's like trading with eyes closed, really. 50 cents on $9 stock, give me a break. It's like trading with eyes closed on my phone. Basically, this is the environment.
MASS, Sarab, MASS also very low volume stock, very low volume. Volume is 350,000 shares. Normally we don't trade anything below 1 million. On top of that, 40 cent spreads looks horrible. Maybe the daily is different. Maybe the daily is good. Yeah, the daily is very good, but
It's not relevant for
I'm
now.
not gonna.
It's not relevant for
I'm not gonna
30
buy
minutes
even one
before.
share right now.
Yeah. 30 minutes before closing the day. Care less about the daily.
It's up 6 points, but it's up 6 points. Everything happened in the first 10 minutes. All the move happened in the first. I mean, I was talking about MASS. Baba, yeah, it's up 6 points.
So what?
6 points is
So what?
3% in Baba.
So what is 6 points? So what? The key is whether you can actually bought it at 215. And the answer is definitely no. There's no sign, when you see after 3 bars, 6 points, I wish I could. But think about that area. It could actually break the low there and no confirmation. So I don't think so. No, don't do this, Kumer. This is nuts. This is speculation because at real time, definitely you will know whether you should take it up or down. Really. No.
Guys, you want another trade into the close or you had enough? Take a look at this reversal at 1465 in NLTX. 1465, risking like 30 cents, including the spreads.
Wow. It's a tough trade, Michael. Just because of the spreads. Because the stop is like...
The spread is 10 cents, sometimes
yeah, but
15
you have
cents.
25. Yeah, and you have like 30 cents. And you know what? It might go even down, no? It might break the 40. You're thinking about up, but I think it can go both ways, no?
Definitely can go under 14, but if it goes under 14, we're not going to be in the game.
I mean, under 1440.
I'm not going to be in the game.
Yeah, under 1440, it can actually drop down.
The positive thing about this one is that it has a very tight stop loss. While if you trade it over 15 or over the VWAP, you have also, assuming it gets there, you have a terrible stop loss, or at least 3 times the stop loss right now. $14.40 is my stop loss. Bought 600 shares only. The volume is not picking up. Not a great sign.
Okay, in KLA. Let's see if it's good. I'm raising my stop in NKLA to 14. Okay? Took a pause and now I want to see if we can break the 80. Final stop is 14. How much time do we have? 30 minutes. Okay. Why should not be, Nakla? Why should not be? Give me one good reason why you should not be there. Yeah? It can do from here, at least, if, the calculation process will continue, 30, and if it's break it, who knows, let it fall, let it fall. Still a huge trade, remember, we start with 5 cents. Right now, it's 45, so it's 1 to 9. So even if you have half of what you have, you remember, even if you have still 500 shares, and you took 1,000 shares with 5 cent stop, so 500 shares are now almost $250, and you actually put a few hundred, so it's a huge trade. Again, if you size it correctly, and as we speak, we actually broke the 80. Really good. Really good.
Out of that trade in LTX, maybe it's gonna actually drop 14 the way it's trading. MARK, why do you want to follow it, Stewart? It's a $2 stock. We don't, assuming it's tradable, and I'm sure it's not. It's not tradable. We don't trade $2 stocks. Here we try to get trade interesting stuff, and $2 stocks have terrible risk reward. Actually, they don't have even reward. They have more only risk.
Yeah, and you have to size huge amount of shares, and if you are not using a fixed price, it costs you much more. Why do you need $2 shares? You have $15 shares. Nakla, that now it's 14 and now it's 13 something. It's easier. It's much easier. Buy Nakla? Why buy? Why buy? Look at this.
No, but it says bye-bye. It's now 1370.
Oh, I thought he says buy because he's out of the trade. This is the money time. Look at this, 17. Look at the size of the bars, start to be bigger. Red, the volume increase. This is what I want to see, the feel. Sad. Yeah.
Guys,
Nice.
take a look at it again. The VWAP killed it. Killed by the VWAP.
And we wanted, you remember, we wanted under 14 and then move up. And then I was watching and I was not sure, so we bought something, 14.25, and after 15, put it on 15 minutes, you can see why we add under 14, of course, and yeah, it's nice. What was the high here? 14, 13, 91. Yeah. I know, Timothy, this is why it was on my list, because yesterday I wanted to break it under 15 or above 1550 and it didn't. So when it broke today, boom, that's it.
Guys, take a look at the pullback in BLNK again from the VWAP. It had supported the VWAP at noon, at 11, then broke under the VWAP, and now it's. I still have 200 shares left because this is my best trade, I think, this week. But I'm still. How many dollars in the money? I'm 44. Still like $4 in the money.
I saw it late. Looks amazing, the BLNK. Guys, Python. Get into the okay. Now, if I'm going to see it going above 90, I'm going to take 3/4, 60 cents. 60 cents the money. I know I reduce and then I bought again. Okay. Above 90, I'm going to take a profit, 3/4, and raise my stop above 164. You have to be aggressive. Yeah. You gave it a chance. Enough is enough.
No,
Wow.
I stopped out on PDD. My stop loss in PDD was 153. And it touched the VWAP and moved up. But, I don't want to start losing now. All my profits in NKLA are going to go away on PDD and LTX. That's shameful. So
Michael, are you still in Python? Michael?
no.
Okay.
Maybe I will swing NKLA. Amir, Baba short, I think, if at all long, 222 long, $2 stop loss versus a short with a $2 stop loss. Now the trend is higher. Again, take a look at we are now trading at 12:38. So you have 22 minutes where you're going to be probably the only one trading. Not the only one in Baba, but everybody's away now. Yeah. RMG.
I'm taking profit in Nakla. Not in Nakla, sorry, in Python. Right now. Okay, 80 cents. Raising my stop above 164. Yeah. Yeah, I see, Tanvir. I see. But to tell you the truth, I'm watching the time, and I reduce entry, add more. I wanted to lock some money, and it's okay with me. And if you didn't take, you're absolutely right. Yeah, absolutely right. Yeah. It's a good bar, and if it's going to break the 163.50, yeah, but you see that area? Look at 11.45. We are get a good support at this level. So it was wise to take some profit right now. I don't say sell everything, but to take something, yeah. So
guys, this is the end. Don't trade anymore. Any new trades? If you have trades to manage, fine. But this is now really getting absurd. We are 20 minutes away from the close.
correct.
RMG still delivered an amazing algo move over the highs.
And KLA above 92, I'm going to be out of my last portion. You show Tesla. No, there's no time. There's no time for moves. Yeah, if you want to see something, no, it's not. Don't put yourself in that situation. It's not good. Okay, NKLH, guys, broke the 50. Nice.
Joy, you have 20 minutes, not an hour and 20 minutes. You have 20 minutes. The market closes at 1 p.m. 1 p.m. Not 2 p.m., 1 p.m.
Important, yeah. It's like, I had a guy that we did mentoring, and I think the second day or something, he called me the day after. He left overnight, I think, 200 shares in Tesla before the earning. Now, he didn't know that it's the earning, but he thought the market is closed at 4:30 for some reason. I don't know why. Lucky him, Tesla opened up and he, gained a few $1,000, but it's very important. I told him, put the numbers, put the alert, guys. You have to put the alert for the end of the day. So you're going to be aware like a few minutes before. Yeah. Because he could wipe up quickly, like, pretty good amount of his account. If it was going against him and, Tesla can do even, 30, 40 point, and think about it, 40 point, 200 shares, 8,000. Yeah, that's scary. He didn't know how scary it is because he didn't have enough experience. But after I frightened him, he knew what could happen. So, yeah, don't do speculation. Wow, Python looking good, guys. Nakla is going to the hello. And probably money we're not going to get for the UVX. Why? Because I don't think the market wants to go down. So, 5 cents against me. But I'm okay, 2 good trades and 1. It's fine.
Guys, a reminder for everybody. The market is closing in. Let me write down an alert, so you won't miss it.
Python, guys. Let's wave bye-bye to 163. Let's welcome 162. What do you think? Are you still in Python, guys? I do swing, Alec, but I don't have something right now. Oh, you're still in Python, guys. Great, great. How risk are you in profit today, David? How many risk units? Wow. Very nice. Shane, I'm not talking about fantasy, okay? I'm talking about risk units. Why not? Why not? I want you to trade better. It's not about, earning money. It's about, getting into a good trading plan. And if you have a good trading plan, you could make money. If it's not going, you should lose less than you usually do. Okay, we broke the 163 in Python. Good. What about Nakla? Yeah, Nakla wants to break the 70. Wow, this is good. Finish long weekend with those good trades. It's good always. Yeah. Keep you smiling. Scott, we are expecting a present, please. Yeah. Expecting a present. Good bottle of wine. No, I'm not. I'm not looking at those kind of things. I don't care. No, I don't ever watch even, I told you I'm not care about those kind of things. I'm not impressed by that, really. Every day, Dean. Every day. And you know what? It's December 20, was it 23? I even got into the water. The temperature is like 22, not Fahrenheit, Celsius. So, but yeah, after I'm running, yeah, it's for some reason I remember every year last year I remember the last time I got into the beach was November 4th. Wow, it's amazing. Sun is shining, sand is amazing, and yeah. This is how I'm so relaxed here, really. Yeah. Negative? Where are you? Oh, yeah, on London. Yeah. Yeah. I drive like 12 minutes. Yeah, 12 minutes. Yeah. Where in Israel? Michael is more close to the beach than me. Now, Michael, you are how much? 5 minutes drive?
I never go there, so it's maybe it
I
can
know.
be as well as it is in Alaska.
I know. I know that you don't like. But you are 5 minutes, no?
Yeah, 5
Driving
minutes.
even less. No, yeah. So, yeah. Yeah, it's cold, but it's relative cold, relative to what? Relative to, Alaska is nothing. Relative to a lot of places,
Here it's like Florida, exactly like Florida without the rain. The same weather, same temperatures year round without the rain
And the hurricane, yeah.
and no
Yeah.
hurricanes.
And less older
like
people.
California, exactly.
And less older people.
Like LA. LA is the same altitude as Israel. LA is exactly.
Yeah.
If you swim straight west from Israel, you hit LA.
Hi. Nice, Majdi. You have a great... I flew once with the Jordan Airlines. It was very good. Flew to Thailand, I think. Very nice airlines. Really. Southern Texas. Yeah. There's a huge community here in Texas, huh? Lots of traders. I did some mentoring with a lot of people from all around, Houston, Austin, yeah, lots of people. Yeah. Chicago, yeah, I did also with guys with Chicago. So Nakla probably above 80. I'm gonna be out, and Python is still going down. Python right now, my stop is 163.50. Yeah, 163.50. UVXY, thinking about 2 cents. I'm out. So
Guys, take a look at the SPY. We are at the highs of the day, and that means Merry Christmas to everybody.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, I'm out of Nakla. Last portion above 30, above 40, 50. Let's say 50. I'm gonna be out of Python, and UVXY hit my stop. So yeah, very good trades, and one lost UVXY, but I'm okay with that. Really good. Welcome, Alec. Yeah, it's always good to. It's like a dessert at the end of the meal, huh? Good trades towards the end of the day. A good dessert, not something that's stuck in your throat. Yeah. And I've been in the other place, really.
Actually, Baba from 222 up to 224. So the trade from 222 stop loss 220 to 224. That's 1-to-1. That's not bad.
I didn't even think
Guys?
about it, Michael. Didn't even think
Yeah,
about it. I knew
did.
it's so.
I also
uh,
stopped trading with NLTX. That was my last trade. Guys, remember we have again the market is closing now in 7 minutes. Is closing in 7 minutes, meaning you won't be able to do anything after the market is closed. So be aware.
Yeah. So check your trade manager and your account manager to see that you actually sold everything. Not like I got what was in the stock. Yeah, I got an email from a guy that we are doing a mentoring this week. Hey, Amir, I forgot to close 100 shares. What can I do? What can you do? You know, sit on your computer. There's nothing you can do. If the market is closed, it's closed. Nothing. So be aware. All the amount are out and no leftovers. And yeah. Michael, thank you. See you on Monday, guys.
Thanks, Amir.
Have a Merry Christmas. It was a pleasure to come late, but we actually did nice stuff, and it's always good. See you on Monday, guys. Thank you.
Thanks, Amir. See you Monday. Clifton, Gabe, Merry Christmas. Guys, happy New Year if you're taking the vacation until next Monday off. If not, Merry Christmas to everybody. Stay safe, and we'll meet you, of course, when we meet. Yeah, Monday. Monday, we're back in business Monday morning. Again, guys, those who are not going to be here next week for whatever reason, holidays, and that's the perfect time to enjoy. I think the market's not gonna be the best movers. Enjoy, and we'll be seeing you, of course, immediately after.